Del here. Today we've got Blueberry, 50th anniversary, big box of cereal here, and Boo-berry, not blueberry, boo-berry. And that's the box, that's the back, side, with all the nutritional information. And the other side, and this is what it looks like. Got a big measuring cup. And we got some milk, some almond-style milk. So it's not milk, it's the almond breeze, unsweetened vanilla. And let's see how this combination works. Also, on our tray, just after a recent visit to this giant rummage sale that we call St. Martin's Fair, we picked up a ton of these Taco Bell trays. It feels sort of like a crunchy Cheerios, but the taste is, I guess the taste is booful. Blueberry. I can taste the berry coming through, and you can see a little bit there. I don't know if I'll turn the spoon around. You can see that. Apparently that's a picture of a blueberry. Have a little another taster. This isn't bad. The fun kind of cereal, and we got the big box, the family size, so there's plenty of it in there. Not bad at all. For especially little kids. Breakfast is kind of an adventure and a fun thing in the morning. And I guess, the adults can sneak in too on this when nobody's looking. Blueberry, I'm giving it my Good Housekeeping seal of approval. What do you think about that, huh? That there is Boo, the ghost with the most.
Okay.
I think I might add this to
Repertoire.
my collection. Definitely mix it up with
It's a
other
good
cereals.
mix. Yeah.
By itself, it's good. Mixed up with the others, it'll be good. Plus, it's tastes good. It's a little sweet, but kind of expect that. Yeah,
But if you mix it into the Repertoire,
yeah.
the Repertoire is the bucket of cereal.
This is a special top, so it seals it off pretty good. You don't have to worry about any type of insects or anything. There's, I'd say, a half a dozen different types of cereals in here. There's Cheerio type cereal, there's Rice Krispie types, there's shredded wheat, there's I think two fiber type cereals. Let's see what else. Some of these these come in rice and corn, and so there's a couple of those. There's some. These are flakes again, bran flakes. And I have some shredded wheat style cereal, both the sugar coated and the plain So I sometimes seal it up and mix them to try to get them all mixed up together, but it works out really well. It saves a lot of space without having a bunch of boxes all over. Saves a lot of space, and it saves shopping time. You don't have to shop every week for cereal. So it's just the way that the system has kind of evolved into this, and I think it worked out pretty well. I'm happy because I'm a cereal guy, eat it every day. The fiber is relatively healthy for you. The non-sugared cereals, mostly for quite a while I was that way, but then I just decided to loosen up the parameters a little bit with the coated shredded wheat. And so that's what works for me. Don't know if it'll work for you, but it saves a lot of space. If space is at a premium at your house, that's something that could be really useful. Also, this cover, you can kind of tighten it so you don't have to, and then loosening it takes 10% more torque to loosen something up than tighten it. You can kind of get a feel for how tight you want it to be.
It's good for like a boat or something.
Yeah. So that's it. And also, for those of you at home saying, I'll bet you this guy's got at least 2 of these things. Well, you're right. I don't have more than 2, but I got 2. I got another one. So if this goes down, I just go to the next one and then worry about filling it up again. So there you have it. The Boo, the ghost with the most. Which I'm gonna show you that I practice what I preach. And also I have a scoop that scoops it out. Keep things kind of neat that way. But I'm gonna pour the rest of Boo into the bucket. So, okay, that's that. Now I'm going to, I can mix it up a little with the scoop. And, which is doing a pretty good job of this lately. We're still kind of, it's not a complete job. So what I'm going to do, set the scoop aside. You can also spin the top if you want. And you can kind of roll this around and do what you want with it. Combo dance and kind of like that. Let's see. Like that. And let's see. Give it the test here to see how well we mixed everything up. Normally I'm standing up when I do that, but you can still see some of the Boo cereal. Boo the ghost with the most is still on there, but it's sort of mixed up. So we'll have the scoop back in there, put the top back on. Spin it and give it the tightness that you want to keep everything out of there from getting in there. And so here we are with our cool tray, and here's the cereal, and I guess there's got enough milk in there. So we'll give it another test on this cereal to eat it soggy, to see if it gets soggy sitting there. It's not too bad if you don't like soggy cereals, but it did get a little bit. So whether you like to eat it right away or let it sit a while, it's good both ways. So you got the cereal, got a giant measuring cup that holds a lot of cereal and milk. You got the tray, Taco Bell tray. You got the. I stopped eating, drinking, consuming milk quite a while ago. I usually get this type of milk, almond-style milk, and I like the unsweetened. Sometimes I get vanilla, sometimes plain. Costs a little more, but a lot of things cost a little more these days. So this is right in line with that. So those items all together make for breakfast. I think we pretty much knocked this one out of the park, right? So well, at least this has got a. I'm gonna put this in this hand, and then we can do that. Yeah. Uptown Funk. Gonna funk you up.